Dear students, we are learning the fifth chapter, Social and Religious Reforms, and in it we learn about Brahmo Samaj, founded by Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and Prarthana Samaj by Dadoba Pandurang Tarkhadkar. Now today we will learn about Satyashodak Samaj. Satyashodak Samaj, Mahatma Jyotirao Phule started the Satyashodak Samaj in 1873. In Satyashodak Samaj, it was founded by Mahatma Jyotirao Phule in the year 1873, and Satyashodak Samaj worked on the principles of formation of society on basis of equality. Here in the first videos we learn about the principles of Brahmo Samaj, and in it we learn they give the importance to the monotheism, caste and class equality, and here in the Prarthana Samaj also we learn they were also given the importance to the monotheism, and they also gives the for the good conduct and so on. Like the same here, what was the principle of Satyashodak Samaj? Formations of society on basis of equality. They protested, means they were against untouchability. They were against untouchability means for Dalit or for they were means the society were discriminating the peoples on the basis of caste, and for the lower class they were not allowed to enter in the temples to touch to others, the Brahmins like etc. Untouchability they were opposed. They protested. They advocate education among the depressed class and women. They were in the favor. They were doing the good work for the education for the depressed class peoples as well as for the women. And Mahatma Phule reformed the society through the medium of books. Like this great personality Mahatma Phule, they wrote the books on the present situation of society, and they described through they create an awareness among the people through the books like Brahmananche Kasab. It's a book, Brahmananche Kasab by Mahatma Phule. Then Gulamgiri, Brahmananche Kasab, Gulamgiri. Then शेतकऱ्यांचा असूड and सार्वजनिक सत्य. ब्राह्मणांचे कसब, गुलामगिरी, शेतकऱ्यांचे असूड, शेतकऱ्यांचा असूड and सार्वजनिक सत्य, dharma. These are the books written by Mahatma Phule to create an awareness among the people. He severely criticized the tradition and customs that made discrimination between men and women. And this person, Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, in their whole life they were against the discrimination on the basis of caste and or between men and women. For the women, they started the first school in Pune, that also we know. Means this person and his wife did a very great work for the Indian society in the field of education as well as in the discrimination on the basis of man and woman, or rather human being itself. Means Satyashodak Samaj, here we learn it was founded by Mahatma Jyotirao Phule. Now here the next is Arya Samaj. This person Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Arya Samaj was founded by Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Simple it's, and dear students, you have to learn everything about who is the founder of like Satyashodak Samaj, Arya Samaj, Prarthana Samaj and so on. Means founders are important for match the pairs and for the fill in the blanks, so you should be careful about that. Swami Dayananda Saraswati in the year 1875. In the year 1875, Arya Samaj was founded by Swami Dayananda Saraswati. He wrote the book Satyartha Prakash. Satyartha Prakash, it's a book wrote by Arya Samaj founder Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Satyartha Prakash as a commentary on Vedas. Means Satyartha Prakash, it's a book written by Swami Dayananda Saraswati, and what is the content of this book? It's a commentary on Vedas means they write summary or they explain some of the terms of Vedas in their book Satyartha Prakash. Ancient Vedic religion is true religion which has no place or for casteism. And Swami Dayananda Saraswati told that in ancient period where 4 Vedas were there, that period was good because they were not discriminating on the people on the basis of caste, means has no place for casteism. He asserted, means strongly supported, he asserted that there should be gender equality, strongly supported by Swami Dayananda Saraswati, that in society there should be the gender equality, there should be no any discrimination on the basis of gender or male or female. Go back to the Vedas. Go back to the Vedas was the slogan of Arya Samaj. It's important. Go back to the Vedas. This is the slogan of Arya Samaj. The branches of Arya Samaj were opened all over India, and Dayananda Saraswati, they opened the branches of Arya Samaj in all over India, and their main slogan was go back to the Vedas, or they write the book on the commentary on Vedas, that is Satyartha Prakash. Many education institutions were established through the medium of Arya Samaj, and through the medium of Arya Samaj many institutions were also established by Swami Dayananda Saraswati in the different part of our country India.